Artoonza.
Hey there, giggly poppet painters. Ready to dive into some wacky painting adventures? Today, we're turning a birthday cake poppet into a masterpiece that's as tasty as it is colorful. We're grabbing our magical acrylic paints and using some flip and press action to create out-of-this-world artwork. It's so simple and fun, even a dancing penguin could do it. Give us your like.
Aw, so cute.
Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Red. Pink. Give us a big thumbs up. Yellow. Yummy, yummy. Green. Blue. Purple. Orange. Color, color, color. Yellow. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm as tired as a sleepy sloth who just ran a marathon. 1, 2, 3 now.
Wow!
This is so amazing. Glitter time.
Aw,
Let's make it shine and sparkle like a superstar. Smash that like button now. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.